Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil. I'd like to introduce you to this installation that we've carried out on a McLaren 650s. So what we've installed is a target blue eye device. It's a safety device. I'll pop all the links below. This is a similar install to the one we did on an Audi R8 V10 Plus. So I'll drop that link as well below. If you want to just check out this vehicle here. So what we've got in this original mirror cluster, as you can see here, if you just go up to the camera there, it's on one light there, which is the little green LED. So we've actually taken the original target blue eye display, sort of dismantled it, dismantled the existing mirror cluster, and also and added in the whole display into there. So the two buttons that you normally get on your on the display for the blue eye are now mounted here. So we can increase volume like the original display and increase it. And we've still got the 3 city modes because it's got the latest software on there, and they're the LEDs as they go up to highway mode. And you've also got the mute functionality. Amazing device. The aerial that we've used is something called a T30. It's one of our own. We've custom made it. And we've got, all you can see from the whole install is one very small cable, which is just here, which is obviously coming out of the mirror. But the main thing with it is from the driver's seat you cannot see anything, all into existing McLaren parts, and the T30 is a bumper mount hidden aerial as well. So thank you very much for watching our short video. For more details, I'll pop all the links below. Please don't forget to like and share our video. Check out our dedicated website, it's targetblueye.co.uk, or our main website, CBS Automotive. So thank you very much guys, and enjoy the rest of your day.